created a cinematic Airtel advert using AI. So I made an advert using AI for Airtel, the company, the rival of Safaricom. What if I told you that today you can create a full Airtel TV advert without cameras, actors, or a production crew? In this video, I'm using Higgsfield AI to create a cinematic Airtel Kenya advert showing broadband, Airtel Money, and smart data bundles, all powered by AI. Why Airtel? Airtel is all about value, speed, and smart connectivity. From unlimited fun bundles to Airtel Money to 5G and broadband, Airtel keeps Kenyans connected without stress. So today, I'll recreate that bold, youthful Airtel ad style using only AI. So why Higgsfield? I'm using Higgsfield because it gives creators real control over cinematic visuals, camera movement, audio and voice, and consistent storytelling. With tools like Nano Banana Pro, Kling 2.6 Audio, One 2.5, and Cinema Studio, this feels like a real film studio inside a browser. The Airtel AI advert. So I'm going to explain the scenes for the AI advert as I make them on Higgsfield. First Kenya, first network. The video prompt. I'm going to use the Nano Banana Pro, the model, and the prompt is a dynamic sunrise over Nairobi city. Young Kenyans walk fast in the CBD, checking phones, boarding matatus, energetic morning vibe, cinematic lighting, smooth gimbal style camera movement, bold commercial look, and 4K quality. That's the first video prompt I'm going to give Nano Banana inside Higgsfield. So, and the audio prompt I'm going to give it Kling 2.6 is upbeat, modern Afro instrumental start. The audio prompt, I'm going to use the model Kling 2.6 audio. Upbeat, modern Afrobeat instrumental starts. Confident, youthful Kenyan voice says, in today's Kenya, speed is everything. So scene 2, unlimited fun bundles. Here's the video prompt. I'm going to use One 2.5. So here's the video prompt. A group of friends sitting at a cafe, streaming videos, scrolling TikTok, laughing together. Bright colors, fast cuts, fun youthful energy, bold commercial, smooth handheld camera look. So the audio prompt for this prompt is voiceover on One 2.5. With Airtel Unlimited Fun bundles, you stream, chat, and scroll non-stop. So scene 3, 2GB at 50 bob. Video prompt for Nano Banana is close-up of a smartphone showing data bundle purchase, text animation, 2GB at 50 bob. User smiles while browsing and chatting, clean colorful UI style visuals, sharp focus, modern commercial lighting. The audio prompt, more data, less stress, more data, less stress, 2GB for just 50 bob. Airtel Money, mambo ni nywe. Here's the video prompt. I'm going to use Kling 2.6 audio to generate the video. So here's the prompt. Street vendor receiving Airtel Money payment on phone. Customer smiles, taps phone, real Kenyan vibe, warm natural light, smooth slow motions. This is the audio prompt you're going to use. Send and receive money across networks with Airtel Money. Mambo ni nywe. So that is the audio prompt for scene 4. So here is scene 5. Broadband and 5G power. Video prompt. You're going to use the model Cinema Studio. Interior of a modern home. Family streaming on a smart TV while another person works on a laptop using fast internet. Clean textile lighting, cinematic camera push, from home broadband to powerful 5G. Airtel keeps you connected everywhere. So scene 6, spam alert and security. The video prompt is, the model is Nano Banana Pro. Close up of a phone showing spam alert, powered by AI. User ignores spam call and continues scrolling confidently. Clean UI, modern tech aesthetic. So what is the audio prompt? The voiceover. And with Africa's first AI-powered spam alert, you stay protected. So scene 7, final brand shot. Video prompt. Dark background with glowing red Airtel light streaks. Airtel logo appears in a premium cinematic reveal. Smartphone floats in a frame showing Airtel app interface. High-end commercial style. Audio prompt. Voiceover strong and confident. Airtel Kenya. Smart network, smart life. Now, let me show you how I created this Airtel advert step by step inside Higgsfield. From choosing the model to rating the prompts to generating the final cinematic scenes. And just like that, a full Airtel-style commercial made with AI. No cameras, no actors, no studio, just creativity and Higgsfield. And if you like to try this yourself, I've added Higgsfield links in the description, and tell me in the comments which brand should I turn into an AI advert next. So what's up, I hope you're feeling good, I hope you're feeling amazing. Your boy over here, MKIDDI Studios. So in this video, I have made a Safaricom advert and an Airtel ad. So thank you for being here, thank you for watching, I truly do appreciate. This is just a recap of the Airtel advert. I'm going to make the Airtel advert and link it to the Safaricom advert, compare it, the two of them. You tell me which one is more enticing, exciting, which one you feel has the aesthetic value, carries the Nairobi feel. I truly do appreciate. Your boy over here, MKIDDI Studios. Thank you for everything. I truly do appreciate. Have a blessed day, have a blessed 2026. Humbled for you to be here. Truly blessed and honored. Thank you very much. If you have a company or business that you want to be made, I can help you in that. You kindly comment down below. Go in the comments, reach out on my email. I'll truly do appreciate. There's a website coming up. I'll share that. Tell me what you think about the two adverts. Any aesthetics that you want me to nail in the future adverts, or if you have a company that you want me to make for you an advert, you have a certain aesthetic feel you want me to achieve for you, or you want to be achieved with a certain campaign program, you can tell me in the comments. I'll truly do appreciate, so that you can get me engagement. Kindly like, subscribe, share. Not everyone has the same opportunity, but I'm honored and I'm grateful. So thank you for being here. Your boy over here, MKIDDI Studios. Thank you very much. Continue watching. Tell me where you are going wrong, where you can correct, so that we improve the channel, we improve the adverts. Keep the feedback coming in. I'll truly do appreciate. Thanks for everything, manzi. Have a blessed day, have a blessed year. Bra MKIDDI Studios, manzi. Like, subscribe, share, follow, share love if you can. Spread love to your friend, to your neighbor. If you want to try Higgsfield, the links are there in the description down below. Go to the website, look at the website. So when you go to Higgsfield website, there's the Explore tab, there's the Image tab, there's a Video tab, there's the Edit tab, there's a Character tab, there's the InPaint tab, there's a Cinema Studio 1.5 version, and then there's the Mixed Media, and then there's the Assist tab, Apps and Community. The new Mixed Media, you can see the layer Mixed Media, Stacked Mixed Media, Composition. You can upload your video 1 to 10 seconds long, and then you can use any style on the styles given for you to achieve the video look that you want. You can also go to Cinema Studio 1.5. Your input, your image, your start frame and your end frame. It has dynamic camera lenses and profiles. You can choose from Arri Alexa, Red Raptor, Sony Venice, IMAX film camera, Arri Alexa 35, Panavision Millennium DLX. For lenses, you have Arri Signature Prime, Cookie S4, Petzl, Helios, the GD Extal Express, and the Zeiss Ultra Prime. And right now we have aperture. You have the focal length. You have from 8mm, 14mm, 35mm to 50mm. Right now we have the aperture option on Higgsfield. Aperture option, you have 1.4. So you have different aperture options there. So this can help you give a very cinematic look and feel to your projects. 2K resolution and 4K resolution. So you have InPaint, Character, Edit. The video, you have C-Dance 1.5, 2.6, Clean 2.5, Clean Motion Control. These are very amazing and strong models that you can use to make amazing content for your business, for your channel, for your other platforms. This is a very, very amazing tool. You also have Sora Bio 3.1. You also have Soul. When you come to image, you have Higgsfield Soul, Higgsfield Popcorn, Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 4.5, ChatGPT 1.5, Flux 2, Z Image, Kling 01 Image, 1.2 image, and Rivi and Toppers. So all of these are models that you can use in your workflow to upgrade your workflow, to upgrade your content, to upgrade your business content, you know. So you tell me what you think in the comments. I'll truly do appreciate your boy over here, MKIDDI Studios. Always, manzi, blessed and humbled to have this opportunity by Higgsfield. Thank you. Have a blessed year. Your boy over here, MKIDDI Studios, man. See you in the next one, manzi. Out.